Hey everyone, it is actually the 2nd of December today and the time is 4:42. I didn't study as much yesterday as I could. So like I have a lot of backlogs. I will be trying to cover those backlogs in this week as well as doing the normal topic schedule for that day. I did manage to give the GT. I got a 94th percentile, but the score is very bad. I'll be showing the score in the next day's video. So, out of the topics that we had decided yesterday, I could not complete any one actually. I could only study for the custom modules. I did the 50 custom modules yesterday and I gave the GT today, so that's a tick. GT review I'll be doing right now. I'll be doing the GT review and I have my Marrow rapid revision notes ready for doing the OBG one also. I also have revision of radio around 41 pages. So let's see how much we can do today and whatever backlog is left, we'll be going off putting it on to tomorrow. So let's revise the GT sum. So I'm opening the GT. Come on. The first question was of celiac disease. I got that correct. And I like to review the MCQs also. So let's see what happens. I'm actually going to show you what I wasted my time yesterday on. So I woke up pretty early actually. I was a bit tired because I taken too much caffeine before going to sleep. So I went to sleep at like 1 o'clock, but I could sleep only from 1:30 or 2 o'clock, I think, at night. And I woke up super early because I have a issue. See, so whenever the sun rays hit my eyes, I wake up actually. So I woke up at 7 and I wasn't really much in a mood to do anything, and then I wasted time. It was a Sunday, so I started like I like to watch several, mm, really like motivational videos. So can't hold us, very nice. Also anime like theme songs are so banging, and I'm always a fan of K-pop. So we have Megaverse. It's really chill. I have no idea what this is. Then Kevin Lang show, I actually didn't watch this one. I don't know why it's there. Kevin Lang show, you can see I watched it whole. It came out on Saturday. Then I did the Kevin Lang second video. Then I watched Try Guys without a recipe. Then I actually watch a lot of study YouTubers. So I watch Dr. Shruti. Then again Can't Hold Us. Then Bila Chow Chow. I was in a mood to like pump myself up to study again, but it happened. So I watched a study video again. Then I watched this lot of again study videos, and this is actually my channel. I opened the channel to see how many views I had, any comments or anything. Then I watched Dr. Dunfit. Shout out to her, like she has such aesthetic awesome videos. I couldn't ever like do what she is doing right now. I'm very like laid back, chill, so I don't really focus on showing like the aesthetic things. I'm very real. Like maximum of the aspirants, you'll see that they are studying on like old study tables. So they just have a study lamp, which I have, me too, study lamp, and just like old notes, and their water bottle and pen and paper and stuff like that. So like yeah, I haven't like bought anything else. Then watched GMM shows, international comfort food test. Then I watched rapid revision videos, like also Life of Nams, very cool. Like she's got really good study vlogs also. And I watched Chris MD, then more Sideman. I'm a pretty huge Sideman fan, in case you're not like getting it. And these I think just opened up because mm, like I'm not watching these obviously. Again, so yeah, that was it. I spent my time on that. I like got some food, had some food. I'll be inserting a picture of the food I had yesterday. So, as such, I didn't waste my time. What happens is when you're re-beginning the cycle of studies again, you're gonna have a productive day and you're gonna have a non-productive day because, like, I don't have any competition here right now. All my friends are staying someplace else. I'm staying in a semi-rural area, and I don't have as much competition right in front of me, so I don't get productive as much. When I was staying in a hostel, I had people who were studying, so I had to study also. So I'm trying to do what I can do out of that. I'm trying to make the best of the situation. So let's see what happens. Okay, bye bye. Good evening, everyone. So, the last time I had said, I did manage to do the GT review, and next I will be doing the revision of radio. That is the 7 day revision, as I think that is more important. Like the obs gynae part, the learning part, I can do later, but the revision has to be done. Or the work I had done 7 days ago or 8 days ago will be futile. So, revision earlier also, I had a problem with revision only, so I'm gonna do it. And this obs gynae page number 1 to 30 will be a backlog, and we'll do what we can do about it later on. So today we'll set tomorrow's targets. That would be first, obviously, GT review of 30 questions, and custom module of 50 questions, and then obs gynae, what we left to do today, that is obs gynae page number 1 to 30, we'll try doing tomorrow. And what was left, radio I will complete today, the revision part of radio. And so the next, according to the 7 day revision cycle, the next thing we are coming to is completing ENT and radio full. So ENT revision full, let's see what happens. And radio also, the leftover pages, so that would be page number 42 to the end. So I'm not sure, I think 78 pages of radio were there. From all of this I am doing from Marrow Rapid Revision. So I have made my checklist for tomorrow, and I'll try to do as much as possible of this, and whatever is left will be added on as backlog. So we have a lot of time, we can do backlog, we just have to do revision carefully, so that we don't have any missing parts. Like when I am giving the GT, I am understanding that lots of portions I haven't done properly. Like I skimmed over them and I thought I knew them, but I didn't know them properly. I also made a GT review copy this time. So as you can see, I have written all the portions that I'm doing wrong. There is a bladder question that I do wrong every time. Like overactive bladder, we give mirabegron and oxybutynin, and in stress that is overactive bladder would be urge incontinence, and like whenever the urine is filling the bladder, it is completely evacuating from it. And stress incontinence would be whenever there is some stress, there is some urine in the bladder, but the bladder is not letting go. Whenever the stress is increasing, that is on sneezing, coughing, then it is letting go. So in stress incontinence, we give venlafaxine. What I have learned it is that in stress incontinence, venlafaxine is V. So very much laughing, very much crying, very much coughing will lead to stress incontinence. So very is V, and that is venlafaxine. And I've also what I do wrong is Addison Roos right test, and also a very normal thing for jaundice. I will see that if the ALP is increased, then it is obstructive jaundice, and also like we are including cholestasis in that. ALP is increased to 4 times the value, and also PT is increased, which is corrected by vitamin K. In alcoholic hepatitis, the AST is to ALT is more than 2, and the prothrombin time is also increased in this, but it is not corrected by vitamin K, because like in cholestasis, the bile absorption thing is there, and vitamin K is absorbed through bile. And viral or ischemic or toxin induced hepatitis, in that ALT is to AST is more than 500 actually. So let's do this.